Hey friends, a wise man once said that in order to be successful, you need to be rich. Nah, I just made that up. I needed to sound wise to dive into that topic. But now that we are on the topic of success, you're probably wondering one of the two things. You either think you are successful right now or you're not, as simple as that. And if you don't feel successful in the world of social media like I am feeling right now, you might be wondering what it takes to be successful. I think I have the answer for you. But first, let's address a couple of things on why you and I might have different perspective on the definition of success. For this, I want to make use of a few big YouTubers as reference. First, let's start with Graham Stephan. He's a pretty cool dude, very intelligent when it comes to finance and very analytical. Okay, question time. What do you see in him that defines him as being a successful content creator? Go ahead, pause this video and have a think. Alright, now that you had a think, let me share my thoughts on what I see. To me, Graham Stephan is successful because he's making millions of dollars a year just from YouTube ad revenue alone. That's excluding sponsorships and partnerships too. He went from being a real estate agent to running a social media business, and his business brings in so much more money than when he was making commissions as a real estate agent. When he first started his journey on social media, he was still a full-time real estate agent and he was doing YouTube videos during the night. He is successful to me because he created a new source of income stream with his own bare hands and made it into $1 million empire, overtaking his full-time job. So do you share the same opinion as me about him? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, the next YouTuber is Ali Abdaal. He is an ex-doctor who has turned his social media business into an empire filled with podcasts, online courses, and coaching. Alright, again, what do you see in him that defines his success? Pause this video, have a think, and come back to me when you have an honest answer. Done? Good. Here's my opinion. Ali Abdaal may sound about the same as Graham Stephan, but they actually don't. They may have the same work ethic, but they both have very different personalities and different business directions. What I admire about Ali Abdaal is how he uses social media as a platform to direct viewers into his main business. To Ali Abdaal, social media isn't just a place to vlog about yourself or share things that randomly pops up in your brain. He has extremely clear goals and directions. He is successful to me because his intention to run a social media business is not because of money, and it is clearly evident in the way he portrays himself in his videos. He shares his knowledge openly without fear of you judging him or the fear of making mistakes, and that's saying something in the online world. So that's my short opinion. How about yours? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, the last YouTuber for today is Ruri Ohama. She is not as popular as the other more well-known YouTubers, but she's definitely a rising YouTuber. If you don't know who she is, pause this video, go to her channel, pick a video that looks interesting to you, watch it, then make sure you come back to my video. Okay, done? Good. Here's my opinion on Ruri Ohama. She first caught my attention when one of her videos randomly appeared on my home screen, and after watching her video, she reminds me a lot of Ali Abdaal. Obviously, her business isn't as big as Ali Abdaal yet, but I'm very sure it will be sooner or later. What I like about her channel is I can see her progress and how she keeps growing. And her channel is quite new too, which says that her type of video works on YouTube. And that's a big plus for me because if you watch her videos, you'll realize her video style is what most big YouTuber considers boring. So what that tells me is advice from big YouTubers isn't always the only way to do things. Her channel grew really fast as well. She hit 1,000 subscribers in February 2021 and then 500,000 in July 2022. That's a staggering 490,000 jump in subscribers in just a year and a half. I hit 1,000 subscribers in May 2021. Why am I so slow compared to her? Her success to me is she just gets it done, you know? I'm sure when her channel is small, her content is going to be deemed not going to work on YouTube. But that didn't stop her because she has a very clear vision on where she wants to hit. So that's my opinion. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. How many of you have the same perspective as I did in regards to their success? I'm pretty certain 90% of you will have different opinions and perspectives compared to mine. And that's okay because you're meant to look at this differently. But what does that say? Well, it just means you can choose to look at the negative side of things of any content creator, like you don't like their style, you don't like their niche, and all this can be quite draining. Instead, you should focus on what makes them successful and use them as a source of inspiration for yourself. I mean, why waste your time making yourself feel miserable, right? However, I do think there's one element these content creators share that makes them successful. And whether you like it or not, at the heart of it all is money. It is true that you get started on social media platforms out of passion, but I believe passion can only take you so far. If you do not have a plan to monetize your passion and content, and you're just going to create content out of love for the world, soon you will start to feel burnt out. Money and passion should go hand in hand when it comes to content creation. I mean, just chasing the money alone is not going to work either. But no matter what anyone says, money is important, not because it gives us luxurious life or a chance to show off to our annoying friends and family. It is important because it creates sustainability for our content. Graham Stephan, Ali Abdaal, and Ruri Ohama, you can tell they are passionate about what they do, but all of that would not be possible if their content is not bringing in money in some way. Because without it, how are you going to find the time to create quality content? How are you going to create content when you are busy worrying about how to pay your bills? 90% of our problem is money related. Have a think and you will know I am right. And creating good content and running a business requires a lot of focus on the end goal. Money is the biggest distraction of it all, and solving the money problem has to be part of any content creator's plan. Being a social media content creator ultimately is a lifestyle business, and lifestyle business requires a lot of our time. So that's why we need the money in order to buy ourselves time to create better content. Unfortunately, I am guilty of this as well, and I'm very bad at making money online. I started my YouTube channel without a proper plan to make money. All I did was create content endlessly. And as I create more content, I start to focus a lot on the views and subscribers, which honestly, I don't know what that's for now since I can't do anything with it. They're just numbers at this stage. I mean, I am making money through ad revenue, but this year has been so bad for me that my ad revenue dropped over 80% 6 months ago and it hasn't recovered. But I do believe things happen for a reason because that allows me to evaluate my monetization plan since ad revenue is not reliable anymore. And after self-reflecting and researching other influencers on multiple social media platforms, I found the reason, and it's very simple. I'm just afraid of self-promoting. This sort of goes back to the whole money and passion thing. I didn't want to self-promote because I am afraid how my viewers would judge me, how it would hurt my integrity. But I think as long as I can't get past this stage, I will never take my online business to the next level, and it will always feel like my goal is out of reach. So I'm going to start doing some self-promotion right now in most of my videos because I believe it is time. Here we go. If you want to grow your YouTube channel and start making money from the content you create, the very first goal is to make sure you are eligible to join the YouTube Partner Program. However, to join the program, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Easier said than done, which is why I created an online course to help you grow your YouTube channel and hit that very first goal so that you can start making money from your content. The course is packed with information on how to get started as a YouTuber, from what you need to how to tell a story to how to get engaging audiences. And of course, I will also provide you with feedback and guidance along the way to help you grow your YouTube channel because I think that is very important. So click the link down in the description below and join today. And hey, one more thing, if you are already running a YouTube channel, then make sure to join us on Discord today to talk about all things YouTube. It can be different ways of making money, getting new ideas and feedback, or just general discussion. So be sure to join. Link down in the description below. Alright, that's all from me. Thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you soon.